Welcome to my channel everyone. This is my very first video and I'm super excited to start the journey with you all. On this channel, I will be sharing fun and exciting Flutter projects that you can build and learn from. In today's video, we will be creating a simple multiplayer chess game app using Flutter and Firebase. First, I will walk you through how the app works and then we will jump straight into the coding part. So stick around and let's build something awesome together. So this is the app that we are going to build in this tutorial. So this is the sign in page, and so this one is the sign up page, and let me create an account. What we write? chess3@gmail.com, password chess3@123. So sign up. So we can see whether my account has created or not. So let me check in the Firebase. So we can see, so our account has been created, and let me just go to my app again. So let me create another account, chess4@gmail.com, chess4123. We can just write chess4. Sign in. 1 2 3. Oh, have to create. So this is sign up. And here chess3@gmail.com. Password is chess123. So sign in. So after sign in, we will see this kind of interface. So here user can create a game and join the game as well, and also can watch the active games. So let me create a game at first. So after creating a game, the game ID is given. It is actually the document ID. We can see in the Firebase our collection as game has been created. The both collections are created, game as well as user. So and here we can see in this document the field related to player, both players, black player and white players are stored, and we will see this part in our coding section. So let's forget it. Let me again navigate to the app. So here we are. Let me copy it and let me paste it here, so we can join the game. Never. So you can see this beautiful interface of the game. So our white player is chess4 and our black player is chess3. So this is timer, and now so it's white turn. Let me move it. So now it's black turn, and for this demo purpose I am just using the timer of 1 minute, and you can extend it to 5 minute, 10 minute, or make an options that allow user to choose about the time, like for how much duration they want to play, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So it depends on you. I just keep for 1 minute. And so, oh, it's white done. Then let me move the white. I used, so you can see the beauty of Firebase. It is very real. And now time up. So here black wins by timeout. So this is about the game that we are going to build in this tutorial. So please comment below if you have any feedback, or do you want any improvement, or how much you are excited about this tutorial. So please comment and don't forget to subscribe. So let me start with creating a new Flutter project. In the Android Studio you can use VS Code as well. It's depend on your choice. So let me name it as chess game tutorial 1 real 1. So let me quickly connect this project with Firebase. So let me create chess game tutorial 1. So after creating the Firebase project, we will navigate to this page. So from this here we can see the options, like we can connect to Apple, this Android, this is web, and for Firebase we can connect to this option, and we will using the Firebase CLI method to connect our Firebase project with Flutter. So let me go to this option, like click here. We need to run this command in our terminal. Just need to log into our Firebase. So let's copy it. So at first I need to check whether I have already logged in into any Firebase project. So I just log out from it. So Firebase log out. We need all Android, iOS, Mac OS, web, Windows. So let me just enter. And for those who haven't connected their project in the Firebase before, they can watch this video completely, but for those who have already connected the Flutter app with Firebase, they can skip this part. It is taking time, so let me look into the Firebase. Just press the next, continue to console. So yeah, we are connected to the Firebase. We can see from here project setting. So let me refresh. And you can see our app has been connected to the Firebase. Now we can work on the tutorial. So let me just delete this code at first, and let me just add some packages from the pop.dev. Like we need Firebase core, let me zoom out. This is perfect, I think. And for authentication, I need Firebase auth package. So let's copy it and then paste it. So for now, just download this package, and we will further add the necessary package as we start the coding. So pop.get, just quickly make folders like screen. So in screens folder, I will have file like first auth page screen, and then another screen like chess lobby. So this is screen, and another is main chess game screen. So chess game screen, so this will be the main screen. So let's starting the coding. For main.dart, we have a function main. It will be a sync visit Flutter binding to ensure initialized. So this line basically ensure that Flutter is fully initialized before doing anything async. Like before initializing Firebase, we should initialize our Flutter. Then only await Firebase dot initialize app. Now we have to import Firebase core, and this ensure that our Firebase will be initialized. Options, default Firebase option dot current platform. So it initializes the Firebase using platform specific config, meaning Firebase need to know which project it is connecting to and how to connect on different platforms like Android, iOS, web, etc. So then run app. Once my app. So it launches the Flutter app by loading the root visit my app. Okay, so now we need to create the class my app. stateless. So we have completed the code for the main.dart, and we simply launches our app, and our app will start with this page, auth page. So let's create our auth page. Okay, so we are creating a auth page. As a stateful visit, because we will manage internal state like login mode, loading state, and toggling password visibility. So let me complete it. Basically these are using the function of Firebase Authentication. So it allow user to sign in with email and password, and here we will keep in email controller.text, So if there is login is true, and then we will sign in with email and password, and otherwise else we will just create the user with email and password. So this function handle both login as well as sign up. So at first we are setting the is loading to true, and then we check if is login is true, then we will just use this function sign in with email and password, which is provided by the Firebase auth. And then if this condition is false, then we just create a new user using create user with email and password. And also here we assign a random avatar. I will add 10 avatars in the asset, and I will giving that path here. And then we store this name and avatar path into the Firebase. And after successful auth, we navigate to the game list screen using the navigator.push replacement. And if there occur any error, then it will show the message using the snack bar. And finally we set the state of is loading to false. So this is the main function that we are using in this page. Now we will work on UI. have added the path of the assets like this. So let's continue the remaining portions. So till now we have completed this much of part. Let's see in the screen. So let me refresh it. So here we can see the magic of class morphism. So what we have done here is we have added the backdrop filter. So basically we apply a blur effect behind a semi-transparent container, so using this backdrop filter, and this gives the frosted glass feel, and it is super clean. You can see and the input field have a frosted fill color with a white border and some shadow that give the depth. And we also make sure the text and icons are white to pop up on the dark background. And so in this password field So user can toggle password visibility with a tap, and this improve UX as especially on mobile. So you can see, uh, so when we toggle it, we can see the text in the password field. So now we have to make an elevated button here, so that will call the handle auth function. So let me finish that as well. So in elevated button, we disable the button while loading and show a circular progress indicator. Otherwise we call our handle auth functions. And at the bottom we have a simple toggle to switch between sign in and sign up, and this update the entire form accordingly, like we can see here. So when we are loading, it shows the circular path, and also there is a simple toggle to switch between the sign in and sign up, like if we click here it becomes sign up, and if we click here then it is sign in page. So this is about the auth page screen, and in next we will work on the game list screen. So don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell icon. So let's move to the next screen. So before starting the chess game screen, we will make a timer display visit. So it required three parameters like color, label, and duration. And so this method basically uh, convert the duration into dot colon ss format, and this dot pad left ensure both are always 2 digit. And for UI we use column, and it's just a simple UI. So coding part has done. So let me explain about the function of the code. So we have made a stateful visit here. You name call as game list screen, and so this screen show the lobby where player can create or join games. We also keep track of the sign in user using Firebase Auth. So you can see the screen like this. So here user can create the game, join the game, and also can watch the active game. So right now there is no active game found. And then so explaining about this function create game. So here what we have done, we fetch the user info like name and avatar. Here in data, and then we create a new document in the game collection like here. So we have creating a game collection, so we are making the new document here with this information like fen string with white, set black player as null. So and then we show a dialog with the game id and let the user copy it to start the game. So the create game part has been finished. So let me explain about the join game. So let's say someone send you a game id and you can paste it in the text field and hit the join game. So after hitting that join game, so what this function does it simply check whether the game exists or not. So from this line we check whether the game exists or not. If the game is not exist, then we simply show this snack bar like game not found. Then we check whether the black player slot is still empty or not. If there is already black player, then we cannot join the game. But if the black player slot is empty, we can update the document. Like at first the status was waiting, now we can change the waiting to active, and we can join the game, and then we can navigate to the game screen. So this was simple our join game function. So we have seen join game function as well. So let me quickly explain about the viewing active game. So at the bottom we show a list of all currently active game using stream builder, and every time a game becomes active after 2 players join, it show up here automatically in real time. So this is the code, and each item shows game ID, player name, a watch button that navigate to the chess game screen in spectre mode. So this is about the chess lobby, and we have added a nice class effect using the backdrop filter and image filter. So this gives our chess lobby a modern frosted glass UI feel. So yeah, so let's go toward the main our chess game screen. going to dive deep into the chess game screen in Flutter. So this is where all the action happens. We will cover how we handle turns, timer, specters, and even timeouts. So all in real time using Firebase. So here the main function is in init state. So here in init state we get the game document from Firebase. We set up a listener on the game to track live changes, and we also initialize the chessboard and timers and update who joined, whether it is white or black. So like this code, so we let Firebase know which side this player joined, like whether it is white or black. So simply this is, and this game dog snapshot. So every time the game data changes, like move or turn, this listener runs. It updates board FEN position, turn info, whether both player have joined, avatar and name from Firebase, like this information. And then this is my turn. Then this part, so we check if it's your turn based on your role, and the turn is stored in Firebase. And after this we will start our timer if both players have joined, and the game start, and so does the timer. So each player get 1 minute, and it count down based on whose turn it is. So like we can see in the function as well. So start timer function. So here, so this code, if your timer hit 0, you lose by timeout. And in handle timeout, then we show a timeout dialog with a nice custom UI using the Google font. So in basically in this post, what we do is, so after game in, we clean up by making players are as left and deleting the game if both players left, like this. And so in handle move, so when a move is made, we check if it's your turn and save the move to Firebase, FEN turn and move list, and that update Firebase, which update the other player's board live. And so so this is about the handle move. Then build avatar. Where is build avatar? So in build avatar, so circle avatar show each player name and optional images. So here is the main part, is chessboard part, and so we have uses Flutter chessboard to render an interactive board. So if it's your turn, you can make moves. We grab the last move in standard algebraic notation, send it to the Firestore. So this is the simple multiplayer chess game app. You can further enhance it and make it in advanced level using Flutter and Firebase. So thank you so much for watching. This is my first complete tutorial on how to build a multiplayer chess game using Firebase and Flutter. I really hope you found it helpful and learned something new today. If you enjoyed the video, your support means a lot to me. You can also support my work by buying the full source code for just $5, and it's available on Payhip, and the link is in the description below. And every small purchase give me the motivation to create more exciting and high quality tutorials for you. And also I have attached all the assets you will need. You can use them and follow along step by step to recreate the same project. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.